Hello everyone.
Hello.
And welcome back to Dog and Partridge, the place home finding craft tales. You won't find him ranting outside my hotel. You won't find him saying an English channel. No, you'll certainly find him shouting at the rugby as per usual. And the only other place to find him is here in the Dog and Partridge. World famous Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother Dave Partridge.
Hello, Rob.
I was shouting at rugby yesterday. It was horrendously wet in that there Australia.
Oh, is it? That's
It's their winter.
Oh.
Game got stopped for lightning.
Oh,
Sent the people out of the stadium and everything.
that's unusual, isn't it?
It's unusual. We lost.
It's that thing, isn't it? Weather.
No, I'm not going to say it. I've said it. I've said it.
Geo-engineered. That's the one you're looking for, isn't it?
No. That wasn't what I was looking for at all. No, I wouldn't even mention that.
Anyway,
Anyway.
so it can touch you on the air you breathe, I reckon. Isn't it? No? Takes on everything else, doesn't it? Anyway, what we're talking about.
He's ranting a little bit, my bro. He's allowed to rant.
What we're talking about taxes. If you want some tax-free beer,
Breathe
it's down to
yourself.
home brewing.
Yeah, what we got this week then, bro?
And tax-free beer across the bar. We have a range of home brew. And we're going to start today with one in the Pinter. I'm a bit excited about this one. Well, I was when I first got it, shall I say, until I read the box, bro.
What's that then, bro? So it says Pinter Pack, brewing ingredients. It's Adam's Ghost Ship
Remix.
remixed.
Then it says remix, isn't it?
Remixed. Now, why does that bother you, bro?
Oh, I want Ghost Ship. I mean, like it's displayed as Ghost Ship. It's saying it's Ghost Ship, and there's a little remix on underneath the bottom.
Maybe it's because they have to do something to it to make it work in the Pinter.
Well, we're going about far now, aren't we?
So yeah. What do these retail for again?
Yeah, it's
bro?
quite expensive. I don't know if these guys are paying something for the license of using the Ghost Ship logo on, or I think they've even teamed up with Adnams a little bit.
Well, when I think I read about it, I think they were involved in actually making this. So,
25 quid that box.
Ooh, and it's only makes 10 pints, is it?
Yeah, so this would be good, doesn't it?
It's £2.50 a pint. I mean, we're bordering on not quite pub prices, unless you're drinking Wetherspoons all the time. But yeah, you know,
£4.50 most places in pubs now. If you go down the supermarket, you'll get a bottle. Okay, a bottle isn't a pint. You probably get a deal on bottle 4 for £6. You know, something like that. I don't know. It's a long time since I bought a bottle. So anyway, what's it like, fresh beer wise?
I'd expect more on the nose.
Yes,
It's there,
especially from Ghost Ship.
but no, Ghost Ship is basically lots of citra hops.
I think it is, yes. They don't tell you what's in it, but I seem to remember making it had Citra and Cascade when I made it with Malt Miller, and a bit more Cascade for good measure.
I'd expect a lot more punchiness than that.
Yeah, me too. And even this time, guys, as well, because there's a guy in there, and he was saying, like, if you put the hops in while it's still on the docking station,
yeah.
the hop liquid can go straight through and out the bottom.
Oh,
So I took it off the docking station this time, and then I added it up with the liquid
okay.
to try and preserve more of the flavour.
Well, flavour without running through, sort of thing.
Yeah, yeah.
You try it.
Yeah.
Well, it's the right colour and everything, isn't it?
It's right, cool, isn't it?
I mean, it's very nice. It's lovely. It's cool. It's refreshing.
Brilliantly chill because it's in the fridge.
But it's nowhere near citrusy enough for me.
No.
Not to call itself Adam's Ghost Ship. It's a lovely, nice quality beer.
Lovely, drinkable, quaffing, fresh beer. Can't argue.
But if you're
I
gonna,
just wouldn't
if
have the label Ghost Ship.
if you're going to call something Ghost Ship, then it needs to be Ghost Ship.
Yeah.
And that is not.
But it's remixed. But then you can call anything remixed and say what it tastes like it, can't you?
Oh, it's Guinness remix, but it's not. It's sort of like Dark Mild.
Yeah, but it's Gears remixed.
It's Guinness remix. Yeah, great situation. So can we? I mean, I don't know, can we give it a score? I mean, the score for the beer is good.
The score for the beer, I'd give a 10 out of 10. But the score for it being Ghost Ship, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10.
I'm with him. I'll probably go even lower because 10 out of 10 for the beer because it's not what you bought.
If we was blind tasting now, and I hadn't seen, or you hadn't seen that was Ghost Ship, we'd go, yeah, it's cracking beer 10 out of 10.
Oh,
And you
yeah.
say, well, it's Ghost Ship. You go,
No, it's not. No.
there you go.
There you go. Controversial in DMP.
Sorry, I'm a mouthful.
Don't get us wrong, it's a lovely, lovely beer, very drinkable. You know, and you've made it, you're only paying it if you've got the kit, it's not too bad. It's only £2.50 a glass, pint, or whatever. But it's not negotiable. Right, where are we going next, bro?
I think we ought to go to the New Zealand Pilsner from Malt Miller.
Oh, so this is big box here, isn't it?
This is too warm.
That's this one here. So this is a New Zealand, as we remember, this was, I mean, it's quite warm here because this was in frosted glasses like about a minute ago. New Zealand Pils Lager, brews 23 litres, comes in a big box like this, so I'm assuming it's full grain, bro.
It's full grain, it's brewed in the box.
There's not a lot of information on there, apart
There
from
is,
that.
but you called it over, bro. Just no. It's done that orange labelling now. That's the bit you want.
Found it. A crisp New Zealand Pilsner with bright notes of white grape, lime and tropical fruit. From Nelson Sauvin and Muteka hops. Finishing clean and refreshing. It's a New Zealand Pilsner. Tells you the yeast. It's 4.7. How much one of these kits? One of these bad boys?
Well, sometimes you can get them on offer, you see. So I might have got that on offer when you could buy 3 for 90 quid, so about 30 quid a piece.
Does that include everything?
Yeah, it comes in the box.
Yeah.
Brewed in the box.
Yeah, cool.
I don't know where they got the idea from, but it's a brilliant idea, isn't it?
Yeah. We're not cynical. Anyway, so it does look very good, bro. Very appetising. Nice, golden, very
Crystal
clear.
Lovely
Head on it. Ah, yeah, definitely. That's a
Giving
nice
that lot strong lager-esque smell that you'd expect.
very much so. But it's
from a German Pilsner rather than
it's a nice smell though. It's a lovely, nice summery smell that, and it's quite floral.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's going to be good. I'm going in. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, I think we'll have a different opinion. Oh, I like that.
I like it, but it has
that.
that strong Star Primer taste in the background.
Yeah, especially afterwards a little bit, you know. After you've drank it and then you get on the back.
It is the Pilsner taste, and some lagery beers you do get that taste, probably more from the yeast than you do anything else.
Yeah, on the second sip, I mean, it's like what it says. It's lovely, it's crisp, it's refreshing. That's it. But like you say, it has got that lager-esque slapping to it a little bit.
I don't think the Mutaka and the other hops are coming through as much as they should do. Whether I left it a little bit long in the fermenter, I don't know. But yeah, it's still a good crisp beer.
It's very nice.
Yeah,
I'm going to go for a high 9.
Yeah, I think I'll go for a 9.5, just because it's got something in it I'm not quite too sure.
I think the slight after the initial the slight aftertaste for me it is very lager-esque.
Yes, very
it's supposed to be. It's a lager. So, you know.
And the same taste, the fruit flavours are coming through a little bit more from the hops.
Oh, actually, no, it's good. It's good. It's definitely a big good 9.5.
Yes,
solid for that.
Yes,
and quite cheap.
Yes, these brew day kits in the box are quite reasonable price, and like I say, if you get three, I think I just ordered another 3 the other week, and they were £89 for 3, I think.
Yeah, that's pretty good, isn't it? That's 30 quid for a kit like that.
Sure it was.
30 quid for 40 pints, isn't it? Yeah, that's a bargain, isn't it? Right.
So look out for the deals, because they're pretty good on there. So yeah, otherwise it can work out expensive, especially if you buy one, you don't spend 100 quid and all the rest of it. You don't get your free packaging, blah 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 blah.
There you go.
There you go.
Where are we going next, Brian?
We are now going to my mate Phil. Well, he put a recipe together for me.
Where is he? What?
He's not here. He's not here. He's in
Phil?
He's in Belgium.
Oh, he's in Belgium.
And what he's going to do on his way back, he's driving his camper van around. What he's going to do is he's going to get his missus to drive the camper van back.
All right.
He's going to ditch his passport, catch a dinghy, and get a load of free stuff when he gets back to England. Apparently. I don't know what he's saying, but apparently.
And once again, anyway. So is this one of Phil's own recipes, or is it one he's got out of a book, or what is it then?
I think he actually got it from Malt Miller off their internet there, one of their recipes, I think he said. But obviously he's not here, so I can't do down.
And it will be a full grain kit.
It's a full grain kit. He put it together.
Yeah.
I ain't got no beer kits one day, and I says, finds the recipe, put it together.
Yeah.
And he has 50 kilos of grain. He's one of these guys who buys grain, buys hops, buys packs of yeast.
Oh, so this is Phil's recipe, but Phil hasn't made it. You've made it.
I've made it, but Phil's put it together for me, but he's got the recipe from somewhere else.
There you go.
There you go.
Anyway.
And it's called Blonde Mosaic.
And I tell you what, it smells absolutely bloody lovely.
It does actually, doesn't it?
That gives
Smells
me
better.
a little bit more like what, I know it's Mosaic, so it's different, but it's a little bit more like what Moby Ghost should smell like a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit more.
A bit more fruity.
Yeah,
to
maybe the
it.
Mosaic hops rather than the
Yeah.
Cascade and the Citra, but yeah.
It smells nice. I'm going in.
I'm going in.
Cheers.
That's better.
That's the worst thing I've ever tasted. You northerner, bloody moment. I'm only joking. It's brilliant. That's fantastic.
That's fantastic,
Yeah.
isn't it?
That is absolutely
Yeah, that's lovely,
brilliant.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Golden, or I'd like to say Citra, but Mosaic-y. In fact, that's better than Adam's Mosaic.
Oh, that is
isn't it?
very
Yeah,
nice, isn't it?
very nice, isn't
It's
it?
very
Very
mo-
quaffable.
Very much, yeah, very comfortable, very moist. All you want to do is pick it back up.
Yeah, as long as I put it down and pick it back up
Pick it
again.
back up and go for another one then. Oh, lovely. Thanks, Phil, for that. That is brilliant. Oh, I was only just.
Yeah, he helped me out there
It's
because I
brilliant.
hadn't had anything brewed that day, so I said, "Can you
It's a
get some
10.
together?"
It's a 10 out of 10, Phil.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, lovely, like that. I think we've got another fourth beer.
We have got a fourth beer. We're going back to Mont Miller.
Ah, right, all right. Now, sorry, that was my cue, wasn't it? It's on my phone, isn't it?
Yes.
It's my cue, that. Oh, I missed my cue there. Yeah, I was drinking beer.
Having beer and having a good time.
Here we go then. So
Yeah.
this is, as my brother just said, Malt Miller. This is a fast and festive Stiffos Vanilla and a Rum Porter.
Yes.
A lightning fast yeast festive all grain recipe kit with spades of body, beautiful rum and vanilla flavours
Yes.
with subtle fruit notes. Now, I believe you did tell me you actually get vanilla pods.
You actually get vanilla pods. I tell you to split them, and then we just have a look over here because I think I have got, yes, a bottle of Captain Morgan's dark rum. So what you do is 3 days before you want to put the vanilla pods into the brew, is you put 300 milliliters of this in a glass or a cup, or whatever.
Yeah.
Break and split your vanilla pods into that glass, and steep them for 3 days, and then add the rum and the vanilla pods to the brew.
Right, okay. So it should be very vanilla-y and very rummy.
You got it in one, sir. Let me just put that down there.
Okie dokie. This is £35.
Yes.
Like I said, turns around in 2 weeks with plenty of sweet vanilla and rum flavour, complemented by fruit notes. The use of Simpson DRC malt and Brangling Cross hops, which notes of winter berries and dried fruit. Lovely. This comes out at 6%, I believe,
Yes.
so it's quite strong.
6%, depending on how much rum you use. I stuck to the recipe for the 300 mils.
Lovely. Okay, that was that one.
That's still quite a bit, you know. That's a good cupful, but you
It's-
are obviously putting it
isn't
into.
It's one of them. It's like a Coke can, isn't it? On
Yeah.
330.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's like a Coke can full of rum. So that's quite a bit.
Probably a shot a pint, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll have to get around that, then, kid.
So as you see, it's porter as well. Oh, that's it. That looks nice, bro.
It's a 10 out of 10 on the nose already. There's coffee, there's chocolate,
There's rum.
there's a hint of vanilla with a big smack of rum.
I'll give you a mean. There's a nice roast, nice coffee, but predominantly rum. That's just smell fantastic. I know it's the middle of summer and everything, but that just reminds you of Christmas fires crackling away.
Yes.
Warm
I think
fire.
I'll put it together for Christmas.
Yes, I
sure.
think so. Yeah, that could be a Merry Christmas.
It could.
That's it, that.
6%, 3 days at a time. You have nobody's Christmas.
Right, cheers. I'm going in. Oh my life. That's something a bit special, isn't it?
I just found the holy grail of holy grailness. This isn't just a stairway to heaven, it's a stairway to heaven and beyond.
I have a proviso.
Mm-hmm.
It is a stunningly fantastic beer. It's portery, it's rummy. I'm not sure it's very vanilla-y.
Agree. But I don't care.
I didn't think you would. It has got it's definitely got a nice smack of rum to it, hasn't it?
Yes.
It's got that lovely dark richness to it. It's just warm and it's lovely. That's everything. Yeah, it's
What
great.
big cockles now?
Yeah. But I
I could do with a little bit more.
did a bit more vanilla maybe.
Probably if you do it, guys, at home, try and split. I mean, it says split the vanilla pods, so I cut them in half, but it probably means, I don't know, split one. I don't know.
I would have thought splitting it, no matter what. As long as the seeds inside the vanilla pods, because that's what the flavour comes from, is getting into the into the brew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or add another vanilla pod. You
Yeah.
know, it comes with 3, add 4.
Would you go as far as adding vanilla essence or not?
No.
No. Okay. Keep to the pods.
Keep to the pods.
Cool. It's 10 out of 10 for me, bro. All day long. It's brilliant beer.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 and
Brilliant
beyond. Yes.
Stunning beer.
Stunning beer.
Stunning.
That could be in line for an award. I think that is absolutely
I'm going to tell these lovely viewers while he drinks that what's coming next time in the DMP. Dark Rock Crush.
Yeah.
Is that a new one?
That's a new one, Ting series kit thing. Session series, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah, lovely. Cross My Loof Jumbo 80.
Yes.
Any idea what that is? Jumbo 80?
It's a Scottish heavy.
Is it really?
Yes.
Right, okay. Jumbo 80. Malt Miller, persistently bitter.
Yes.
He persistently bitter?
Yes.
He's quite persistent.
I am quite especially with people. I'll get more intolerant as I get older.
Yeah, but that's probably because people get more stupid, I think.
Ever since go that there, what was it, the Kiwi thing, they just got more and more stupid.
If you're watching this anywhere else on that there internet besides YouTube, get on over to
Especially
YouTube.
rich people.
He's still going. Get over to YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Comment away. We love your comments. Thank you very much.
Yes, talking about comments, bro, we did cause a bit of controversy with our last video, because obviously with the mangrove jazz kits, everybody was saying, well, I have to have one. What are you talking about?
Nah.
And you need
It kicked off a bit, quite frankly.
you need a fermentation fridge, you need to brew them right, you need to do it again. Now, the 3 kits I did do, the mango was completely undrinkable, in my opinion. The grapefruit we've still got on.
I like the grapefruit, and I'm still drinking it. I've had a
The hazy I've still got on.
And I like that as well.
Probably I bought the 3 kits from Malt Miller. We're on discount. Don't know if they're going to think to do a sell by date or not. I don't know. If you bought 3 kits, you got them at $15.99 each.
Okay.
Whether the hops have got too hot, whether the yeast have got too hot, whether they didn't brew it fermentation temperature right. But
That's probably what I was asking in a minute.
I have now got a fermentation fridge. I am willing to do them again.
Yes.
At some point.
Yes.
At the correct temperature. And what I should probably do as well is take the hops and the yeast. It tells you to warm the pouch, obviously, in warm water or hot water before to loosen the malt extract up. But what I'd probably do in future is take the yeast and the hops out the pouch before I warm the pouch.
Yes.
And stand the pouch upright in hot water.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
do everything I can to try and
quite amusing. I just turned up the other day and there's another fridge. Right. What's this doing here? Another fridge.
That's another video. Yes, we've made a fermentation fridge. It's going away at the minute. It's probably a really good idea.
All temperature controlled, everything locked away in that. Yeah. That's it, bro, isn't it, for this one?
That's about it, bro. Yeah. So, there's only one thing to say, bro.
Yeah. It's a goodbye from
him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah to the king.
Do it, right? Oh, yeah.